Hello and welcome to the Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 12th day of June 2025. We just got finished with the live trading room, US closed live trading room. And as usual, we're going to show you one of the trades that was taken in the room either by myself or by traders in the room at the time. So the setup, if you've been following us for any length of time, you'll know this setup pretty easily. We do have our favorite indicator from Samurai Day Trading, which is the strong candle indicator. Anytime we see one of these arrows, we want to trade in the direction that the arrow is pointing. So it's a red arrow. We're going to be trading short, and we'd have closed an ABC bias switch. So that is a massive, massive signal. So we don't know if this is going to retrace. We'd love to see a push retrace reject off the previous pivot, either the Ninja Trader or the Samurai one. And if not, we're just going to put a cover order on like we usually do. Wait for the retrace. If it retraces, we'll pick our cover order up, put it on the body of the candle, and go from there. We look over at the PVI, a little bit slow today, around 47 to 48. So I expect this next candle to be anywhere from 40 to 60 ticks in length. And that being said, we're going to pair our ATM to that. So we're going to go for 16s, 30s, and 60s, and we'll see how we make out. The first thing we do is put in a cover order. So we're going to sell this down just below the current candle. And again, we're going to pick it up, and if it retraces, we're going to go ahead and put it on the body of the candle. So here we go. All right, that's a nice retrace. It hasn't really gotten up. There we go. Now we're talking. We can go underneath the current candle. That's perfectly fine. Make it come into new territory. It's only a couple ticks difference. Then we'll just leave it there. There's really nothing in the way here, all the way down to the gap. So that's another thing. There's really no brick walls sitting here. So if you wanted to, you could actually put it on the body of the previous candle and go. So first thing we do is put our stop where it belongs and wait for our first target to get hit. Once our first target's hit, we de-risk the trade completely and see if we can catch runners going down. We'll leave it at 1x speed until we get our first target taken out. And you watch how the stop will go from all the way up here to just around the previous pivot, or maybe even short of that. So I don't know. Minus 18. So we're going for 16s. Our stop is going to go to minus 14. Once it gets hit, we'll be completely de-risked. We'll give it a little bit of wiggle room, and then we'll see how we go. All right, beautiful retrace back to the previous pivot. Look at that. That's lovely. Now we just need to get our first target taken out, and we'll go from there. As usual, once these trades get going, they go pretty quickly. It's just getting them to go. Initially, that's the hairy part. Well, this is making another push to the previous pivot. All right, so we're in, and now it's just a waiting game. It's never pleasant when it does a double retrace like that. You're already in the trade, but gotta trust your signals. Maybe we need to speed this up just a tad. All right, now that that's failed twice at the previous pivot, this should get going much more quickly than the initial time. The market's made up its mind what it wants to do, and here it goes. Boom. First two target. Whoa, holy cow. That was only 2x the speed of the regular market. You can see it hung around, and then paid in dramatic fashion down here. That particular trade took less than 3 minutes to complete and was worth 605 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 605 US dollars in less than 3 minutes, come and join us in the Samurai Day Trading US closed live trading room. It's a lot of fun. We all make some money besides, so come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com, samuraidaytrading.com, and we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room very, very soon. God bless you. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.